Hello, this is your crypto daily market update for 10th of February 2022. The order is still the same with the top five. The market has gone up by 0.5% to $2.02 trillion. Bitcoin is at number one and it has gone up by 0.58% to $44,202.16, so not much of an increase. ETH has gone up by 0.45% to $3,199.10. Tether, no change, still at $1. Binance Coin has gone up by 0.23% to $423.04. And USD Coin at position 5 is still at $1, no change. So the overall market is still pretty stable from yesterday, and the top two have seen the sort of average increase of roughly about 0.5%, but I think there's more increases to come. I think we'll get back to $50,000 for Bitcoin soon.